Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
iOS 14 is one of Apple's biggest iOS updates to date, introducing home screen design changes, major new features, updates for existing apps, Siri improvements, and many other tweaks that streamline the iOS interface.
Make your mark, take our lead.
One of those risks is data loss. If you download iOS 14 on your iPhone, and something goes wrong, you'll lose all of your data downgrading to iOS 13.7. Once Apple stops signing iOS 13.7, there's no way back, and you're stuck with an OS you might not like. Plus, downgrading is a pain.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Apple iOS 13.4.1 is only worth installing if you are impacted by the FaceTime bug in iOS 13.4, aka you call someone with an iPhone 4S, iPad 3rd Gen, iPad mini 1st Gen, iPod Touch 5th Gen or older. If you aren't, then stay away.
Take our lead.
The reasons behind this message are still unknown, but back in 2018 the wrong message was caused due to a bug in the system that calculates when an iOS build is about to expire. Most likely this same bug is now affecting the iOS 14.2 beta.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.